Hello, students. Today we are going to talk about places in town. So, where can you go in town? Let's talk about it. First, grocery store or supermarket. At a grocery store and supermarket, you can buy groceries like food. One example of a grocery store is Thrift Town or the DeKalb Farmers Market. Next, we have a pharmacy or drugstore. These are examples of pharmacies: CVS Pharmacy and Walgreens Pharmacy. At a pharmacy or drugstore, you can buy medicine to help you if you are hurt or sick. Next, you can go to a gas station. Some gas stations are QT, Shell, Chevron, and Mobil. At a gas station, you can put gas or gasoline in your car. Another place in town is the post office. This is the United States Post Office in Washington. Here you can send mail or receive mail. Another place in town is the doctor's office. At a doctor's office, you can get a checkup, you can get a vaccine, and doctors can help you feel better. These are pictures from the doctor's office. Next, you can go to a hospital. A hospital is where you go for an emergency if you are sick or injured or need a surgery. This is the Children's Hospital. This is the Grady Hospital. And here we have two more kinds of hospitals. Another place in town is the fire station. At the fire station, fire trucks and firemen are ready to help if there is a fire. Next, we have the police station. At the police station, police cars and police wait to be called and help people. In town, you can also find a park. A park has trees and grass and playgrounds, and you can relax outside. Next, you can go to a library. A library has lots of books and computers, and you can learn a lot at the library. Another place in town is a mall. This is the Northlake Mall. At the mall, there are many stores where you can buy clothes or shoes or accessories like jewelry. Another place in town is a church or a mosque. This is where people can go for religious practices and services. This is a church, and this is a mosque. Next, you can go to a laundromat. A laundromat is where you can do your laundry and clean your clothes. Another place in town is the leasing office. This is a leasing office. Here you can pay the rent for your apartment or house. Another place in town is a bank. This is the Bank of America. This is SunTrust Bank. This is Regions Bank. At a bank, you can open an account, get cash, or make a savings account and keep your money safe. Next, we have a school. There are many different schools. Elementary schools with young children, middle school with early teenager children, and high school with older children. These are different pictures of schools where children go to learn. Another place in town is downtown. This is downtown Atlanta. This is the big city of Atlanta where you can go to museums or the aquarium. There is a lot to do in downtown Atlanta. The end, students. Thank you for watching. Bye.